Okay. I have bad news for you. Alright, so it's now 8 a.m. Car just broke down an hour ago. I was on my way to ride ATVs with my friends, but pull over this gas station. I called the tow truck. They said it's an hour's wait at least. As you guys can see, this is what came off. Something like this coming off is not a good thing, is it? Took it off and then turned on the car again. The fuel pump is shaking like hell, and as you can see, there is no screw in there, so maybe the screw had already thread on the screw had a problem or something. I'm really happy that the sound of knocking and misfiring is not because of a blown motor. I'm pretty sure this motor is not blown, but that's story for when we get to Z Auto and fix my high pressure pump. Been sitting here for almost 2 hours. The whole ATV plans are cancelled. I mean, not cancelled, it's just that I'm not going. Bro, how many times a week do you tow BMWs?
More than 15.
15?
Yeah.
50?
For a year.
Oh my god. This is a great ad for BMW. Definitely buy BMWs if you are. Bro, this one is not, there's no screw for this. This is what happens when you drive your car pretty hard. The screw is just stuck there. Not my fault, is it? Not like I drive fast or anything. 200 RPM. Not even 1,000. Alright, so I just got back the car, and this is the second screw that we have broken with this car. The fuel pump is screwed back in. Took so many hours to fix it back in. If you guys remember, I got the car. I broke the screw of my upper arm once. I think we have a problem with screws now. We fixed the drivetrain and we have screw problems. So alright, so it's another day, which means another breakdown. So I'm gonna try to make this and a few days ago into one vlog for you guys. We did fix the high pressure fuel pump. As you guys saw, the screw was broken. Now the problem is I was driving up Genting. For the guys who don't know, Genting is one of the best roads you can drive in Malaysia. So when I got here, all of a sudden I started hearing this noise that sounded a lot like an excessive boosting. I sent that video to Kogu and he told me that my boost pipe might be leaking, but then I started seeing some smoke, which unfortunately I couldn't catch with the camera. So what I did was I checked these two vacuum lines, and it turns out one of them was loose and was leaking a little bit of oil. So hot oil dropping on hot metal, you know that's gonna smoke. So I'm gonna try and figure out how to fix this because I'm a long way away from home and I really don't want to tow the car back. Another problem I faced, I didn't have a screwdriver, so I opened up the box trunk, which I found this. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we can do. And yeah, I have no clue. What are we looking for here? This is boost pipe. So Kogu said that this might be I really wanted to get fixed today because I wouldn't have time to go to the mechanic tomorrow. Alright, so we have good news and we have bad news. The good news is I think I found the issue and it was one of my vacuum lines. The bad news is, as I was trying to fix it back, I dropped it and now I have no clue where it is. It should be on my undercarriage cover, and I don't have a jack to jack the car up. But the good news is, now the car doesn't make that noise anymore. The bad news is, apparently my car is NA now. It's not even like, it's like these small things. It's not nuts, it's like this special looking thing. Failed at this attempt too. I have a feeling that the hose has just dropped. So we have came up with our own solution, which is this. So I connected this. We're just gonna see if this is gonna hold vacuum. This is a very dumb thing, and please do not try this at home. All right, today was a total waste of time. It's 12 a.m. Still haven't figured out what's going on with the car. I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, we are at Z Auto Service the next day. Found out that this pipe broken. So hopefully this fixes the issue. We're gonna give it a test.
No, don't worry. Put
Okay.
down little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, accelerator.
Oh. Probably the boost pipe also leaking. So oily. So we found the issue, and this rubber thing that goes on to your FTP boost pipe, since I was leaking oil from my valve cover gasket, which we fixed in a previous video, so make sure you click up here to watch it. This got oily enough, and by enough time and friction and heat, got loose. What we did is we took it off and cleaned it off, and hopefully this will seal properly now, and we will have fixed the issue. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it goes there. Since I had the issue with the valve cover gasket and it was leaking oil from my valve cover, it was leaking oil on this, got loose. So let's see if this actually fixes it. I still have the issue where I lost this. It's not on my undercarriage cover, which sucks. All right, so everything is fixed back. Let's start the car and hope for the best. Alright, so the car is done. It was actually a pretty stupid issue, but it is what it is. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe. You can't park there.
도착, 대기가 도착.